Hello and welcome to this tutorial video about Canva and evenly spacing objects. It's very easy to do and you don't need to do it manually, so if you have any OCD problems and everything needs to be perfect, this is how it's done. If you'd like to follow along or you haven't gotten to test out Canva, I will leave a link down below for you to do that. So I'm just going to use an example with stars. Keep in mind you can pretty much do this with almost anything, and when you're going to be utilizing this process, you need to have at least 3 objects. That's something to keep in mind. So we have a star here. Let's say we're going for like a star rating, right? Maybe we're talking about movies or something. Let me move this one over. Actually, let's delete this. So let's move it over here, there, and we'll do one more. Okay, so instead of kind of messing around and you want to get it perfect, is it going to be in the middle of the page? What you can do is drag and highlight all of them. You go to position, and now you can change around the horizontal space evening, or you can do the vertical space. Now keep in mind, it's not always going to be perfect. So let me do horizontal and I'll show you. What this does, you'll notice this one moved over to the right. So now they're going to be evenly spaced when it comes to the horizontal aspect. You can do the same thing with vertical as well, but if you notice, some are up, some are down, so it's not going to be 100% perfect. I'll click on vertically here. You'll notice some changed a little, but obviously this is far from perfect. Sometimes you can utilize what I just told you and it'll be perfect, and sometimes you can just do one more by doing tidy up, and ta-da. Everything is now evenly in terms of the distance between each other, the height, and so on and so forth. And the cool thing is when we highlight this, it's very easy. Like say, do we want to center this right here in the middle? If we just drag it, you'll see the purple vertical line going up and across. And now we literally have evenly spaced. We have a movie we're rating, whatever we're talking about, right? Maybe it's a software, it's 4 stars out of 4 stars, but that's going to be the process when it comes to evenly spacing objects with Canva. It could be pictures, it could be items. Just make sure that whenever you're utilizing this, that you actually have at least 3 objects. So let me delete this. And because they're already kind of spaced nicely, let's just do this. Let me highlight 3 and position. Okay, so we can just do vertically here, not horizontally. That's fine. Once again, vertical, tidy up, great. Now let's delete one of these and I'll show you that if you only have 2, I don't believe you can make it work. So position, and notice how it's not there. So that's something I also wanted to bring up. Make sure you have at least 3 objects, and there's like the proof that you can see. But overall, that's how it's done. If you have any further questions about this, feel free to leave a comment down below. And I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. I'll see you in my next video.